Welcome! This tutorial is for customizing the student template and will show you how to use advanced features to customize your ePortfolio. Please note that Digication saves your changes automatically and there is no undo function. Let's get started. The student template has been pre-populated with UNCW images. You can change each of these images or even make the background a solid color. Click on the setting icons in the top right corner and you will notice that a menu slides open on the left-hand side of your screen. You have two options. You can change the content background or the slide background and change the background colors and background images. To change the color of your content background, click on the white square and you will see a color palette open. Simply click on the color you want and you will see the background color change. If you have a custom color you would like to use, enter the color code here. For example, the color for UNCW Teal is 006666. You can then control the color opacity with the sliding bar. Click on Select Image if you would like to add another image instead of a color to your content slide. Selecting Fixed means that the background will scroll with any content that you add. The repeat function is typically used when the background is patterned and you would like it repeated throughout your page. Because this template has been pre-populated, there is no way to delete the image in the slide background. On this page, it is the UNCW Seahawk. Your only option is to replace the image by uploading a new one. If you would like a solid background color, you will need to delete this page and start a new one because the current image is blocking the color. Please be aware that if you delete the background, you will completely delete the content on the page as well and will need to start from scratch. Now let's modify the content on your slide. If you would like to change the typographical emphasis in your module, click within the box. You will notice a settings menu appear. Select the pencil icon and a cursor will be placed within your text. Select the text you would like to modify and a second menu will appear. Now you can bold, italicize, or underline your text and can also change it from paragraph or heading appearance. This is also where you can add bullets, numbers, or hyperlinks. To change the font in your module, click in the box and select the settings icon. You will notice a menu open on the left side of your screen. To begin editing your text, click on the paintbrush icon. To change the style of your font, click on the drop-down menu next to Select. Changing the font will change all of the text in a module to the same font. To change the font size, click on the plus or minus symbols on the sliding bar under the Font Size menu. Once again, you will only be able to change the text to all the same size within a module. Remember, if you want some text to be larger, use the pencil icon to change the selected text to heading instead of paragraph. This is also the menu to change the color and alignment of your font. The Links setting allows you to change the color of any hyperlinks you have in your module. You can also choose to have them displayed underlined. The padding slide bar controls for how much border surrounds the text in your module. Just as in the first settings menu, you can also control the color and opacity of the sliding background in this menu, or you can upload an image if you would like. To add more content to your page, click on the plus symbol in the bottom right corner of your page. You should see a page that is similar to this. Please note that not all of these functions are available, so you may see an alert message that looks like this. As you can see, you can add new slides, text modules, and tables. A handy feature is the Recent Uploads function. This will open images and documents that you have recently used. Some other features that are currently available include taking a picture, recording a video, or recording audio. You will need to have a webcam and microphone to use these features. To begin a chat on your page, simply click on the chat icon in the bottom right corner. You may want to use this feature if you are working collaboratively on an ePortfolio. This feature can also be used between an instructor and a student. Type your message in the text box and then decide who you would like to see the chat. Select Send and your message will be displayed. To delete the thread, select the trash can icon and type Delete. You can also customize the URL that is displayed for each of your pages. Click in the Page tab box, being sure not to click directly on a tab. Next, select the pencil icon, which will open the editing menu. To change the URL, click on the gear icon. In the white box, you can customize how your URL is displayed. If you would like to hide the tab, select Hidden. The page will no longer be displayed when published. If you would like the tab to act as a heading and not a working URL, select the Heading box. Remember, any changes here are not automatically saved, so you will need to save on the bottom of this menu. In the top left corner of your screen, you should see an orange D. Clicking on this will open a menu with several options. The first will take you back to your dashboard. Next is the calendar that is built into Digication. The People icon will take you to UNCW's user directory. The My Library icon will show items you have recently used. The Courses option will allow you to see your courses and communities. Clicking on the ePortfolio icon will allow you to search other public ePortfolios at UNCW, and subscriptions will allow you to subscribe to other ePortfolios. If you would like to copy or delete an ePortfolio, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner. For now, only the copy and delete functions work on this menu. Select Make a Copy if you would like to make a copy of your ePortfolio. You have the option to rename your copied ePortfolio, or you can keep the same name but with the date that you made the copy. Click on Copy and your newly copied ePortfolio will be available on your dashboard. To delete an ePortfolio, select Delete from the menu. An alert will appear warning that deleting your ePortfolio cannot be undone. If you are sure you would like to delete the ePortfolio, type Delete in the box and then click on Yes, Delete it. This concludes the tutorial on advanced customization.